Good morning, dear students. Today we shall start our session number 8, Communication and Networking in Internet Browsing, Unit number 3, Class 9. In communication and networking, it is a wide role of Internet services. Such Internet services are provided by World Wide Web. The World Wide Web, or we can say as WWW, or simply the web, is a huge collection of information as shown symbolically in this figure. Now, it was a vast network of linked, just as hypertext files stored on a computer throughout the world that can be provided by the computer users with information on a huge variety of subjects. Thus, it serves as a platform through which user can use or share the information, the different kind of information such as photos, videos, text message and many more. It is made up of 3 points. That 3 points were a web page, a web browser, a system to transfer information between the web browser and the web pages. Now, a web page. What do you mean by web page? A web page is a document present on a computer that is connected to the internet services. There are hundreds of web pages. Each web pages have a unique address, location, like a address of a particular house. For example, address of NCERT is http //ncert nic.in as shown in this figure. So this is a location of a web page. Here you can see the NCERT web page link is there. Now, to view a web page, you need a browser. Second thing, what you need? A browser. A web browser is a commonly referred to as a browser, is a software application for which using to share a world web wide. So, a web browser is commonly referred to as a browser. It is a software application for using information or sharing of the information on the World Wide Web platform. For example, such of the web browsers are Mozilla Firefox, Google Chrome, Internet Explorer, Apple Safari, Opera, and many more were the different kinds of web browser we can find easily on the net. The most popular of them are shown in this figure. If you want to see a web page that gives you the information on plants, you address the web page browser or web browser in the address bar shown as over here. Whatever you want to search, just type that particular name or a topic over there. It displays on the web browser. Next, such as hyperlinks. Hyperlinks are very often there are hyperlinks highlighted underlined words such as present on web pages. If you click a hyperlink, it will take you to the another part on the same page or to a different page. Second, it is very important part of a web browser as shown in this figure. Now, address bar also can be used by simply Alt plus D key. You can type over here the address URL of a web page in a box and enter it. third thing, you have to see that the browser will display the page link to the URL line, the universal resource locator. Then second, tabbed browsing. We can also use a tabbed browsing by using Control plus T. Tabbed browsing allows a user to view multiple pages in a same window. So if you want to compare two types of plant, so for example trees and shrub, you can open two different tabs and it will shows like this. Two different pages will be open, or you can open more than that. Now back and forward button, as you can see over here, this one is your back and forward button, which is used to back on the page or on the second page, used by simply Alt plus left key, or you can directly click from your mouse, or right arrow keys. These buttons allows you to back to the view of last page or to go forward to the next page. For example, if you back, the flowers page will be open, or if you going to or back, then you can see a table content. Here you can see this. Now after that, you have to refresh the button. While browsing, so many browsers will be open, so you have to browse with refresh button also, which is F5 key. Sometimes you does not see the complete page correctly, so you can reload this page by refreshing it. Now step to browse a web page. On open a web page, browsers such as Internet Explorer or Google Chrome or anything to search information, and you have to simply just type http /google.co.in in the address bar. Then you have to simply write whatever your topic is. Here you can see this. Now after that, press enter and scroll and screen will be seen properly. Now click on that link of the page, whatever you want. So this is your Internet Explorer, or you can find. So this was your session number 8, how to browse in internet facilities. Thank you.